Hi guys, this is the new Fidget tube. This is not mine, it is my stepdad's. Yes, my stepdad's. No, this. I'll tell you about the Fidget tube.
Don't worry about it, Bear.
It does the press button, does
I need you freaking out.
do this. They fun thing to do this. I can do many things with this. This Fidget tube is super good. Now, these tubes, a good thing to do. They keep your hand moving. You move your hands, you can press button, beep boop boop bot. And now, here's the thing that you can do Fidget tubes. You can compare this Fidget tube with a Fidget. So, I do not have a Fidget for now. Yeah, I'll do that later. Here's a Fidget tube. It's super good. And super fun. I don't know how much money it costs for. How much money did the Fidget tube cost for?
$20.
It's $20. Totally more than a fan funnel. About their fan funnel on this.
Yeah,
But
Fidget spinners are like 5.
But this, the day fun toy to pay off. It's like keep your hands moving. Very much. Now I'm gonna show you every part of it. You have this. 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 And nothing to this side is for this. But then it don't move. Goodbye, and that's about a Fidget tube.